I get no kick from champagne. I get a kick out of you. Well, this is cauliflower. I poured a beaten egg over it and then toasted oat flour, paprika, and some flaxseed. And I'm planning on putting it in the oven. Oh, this is how the chicken soup, matzo ball soup, turned into a potato casserole turned out. I did have a piece and I had it with soy sauce. It was very, very nice. And the next thing I want to make is tilapia. And those are spinach leaves. Here's the label, and I bought it in Aldi. It seems to me that the best chicken and the best fish, I'm talking about fresh, is in Aldi. In fact, this smells like the fish store my mother used to take me to in Miami Beach, in South Beach, when I was a little girl. I mean, it smells super fresh. So, there's a recipe, an Indian recipe called tali machli or tali machi, which is fried fish. But I don't like to fry, so I'm going to put this in the oven. And this particular recipe for tali machi I used it decades ago. It calls for garlic, ginger, pepper, and lemon juice. I don't have any lemon juice, so I'm going to use pineapple juice. And it says to wash and dry the fish. I did air dry. And it says to rub it with the spices on all sides, cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to pour it over there and put it in the oven. I have a lot of things to do. This is a one-woman show around here, and I have to do things easy and quick if possible. All right, so here's the pineapple juice. I'll pour it over the fish. Not all of it. Here's some ginger. Now, if anyone from India is watching this, they're probably saying, "Oh no, don't do it like that." Well, it'll probably taste good. Here's a pepper, black pepper. And here's some garlic. Let's try a half a teaspoon. That should be enough. You could always put more in your dish, right? Now, did I put everything? The ginger, the black pepper, the garlic, the pineapple juice? I think I did. Seems like I can't cook and talk at the same and think at the same time. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven. And I'm going to put the cauliflower in the oven. And what I already have in the oven, let me see if I can take it out and show you. I put 1 cup of oats with 2 cups of water. I figured the oven's on. If I feel like eating oatmeal, I'll just make it in the oven. So that's at 350 degrees, and you'll have to wait to see how it turns out. By the way, this coffee pot, you might notice, don't think I drink coffee. It's there because I heat up water in it, and it's an old family coffee pot, and it's very sentimental. I'm sentimental over you.